Hey guys, my name's David. On this episode I'll be showing you how to create your own large plant labels. So all you want to do is go to a secondhand store or Walmart or somewhere where you can get some cheap blinds, some mini blinds like this. And then what we're going to be doing is cutting them into sections. So I'm going to try to cut these into either 3 or 4 sections. I think I planned it for 4 sections. These blinds have I counted them like 76 blinds in here, and when you cut them up, times 3, you'll end up with like 200 plant labels, and these will be almost 6 inches long, and I can cut them at an angle so they have just a slight, like a spike, so you can stick them in the soil. And then for labeling these, all you have to do is just, some people swear by using like a soft pencil, like a number 2 or number 4, 4B pencil, 2B pencil, something like that, and some people say use a Sharpie. I'll try both methods and just do a quick test and see what works best, and by the time I'm ready to plant everything, then hopefully I'll know. So I personally have around 170 things I need to put in my garden, so this is essential. If you're going to buy, this cost me $6 or $7 Canadian. If you're going to buy plant labels, they cost, like large ones, like 6-inch ones, they cost around $10 for like 50 or maybe 100 of them. And so, if you buy them, you end up spending 20, 30, 40 bucks. This was $7 plus some, a couple cuts. And then I also get to keep the blinds afterwards. I'm just going to save this part, and then maybe I'll use this in my shed or something. Okay, so we're just going to cut these strings off and then pull these through. I'll see if we can do it this way. So after doing a little remeasurement, I actually measured these in Walmart when I originally did it. I went and grabbed one of their tape measures and measured this thing. So it works out after you measure it, you get from these blinds, it's 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. I'll end up with 3 segments per thing, and I can't remember exactly. There's about 76 of these, so I have more than 200 of them, so 210, whatever. Okay, we're gonna cut these things now. Hopefully they don't explode all over the place. Few bits of shards hitting my nose there, but otherwise it's pretty good. Okay, so I've made the first cut. These ones I had to cut straight because I want the tops to be straight. The second cut I can make it a diagonal, which will take care of the diagonal for these 2, and then the other ones I'll have to just make a little angled cut afterwards. Well, that's a bit of a fail. The clamp didn't hold all of them, but... And I'm going to cut a slight angle into these first ones. So now that I've got them all cut, I've labeled a couple of them. I've used a, where's that? This is like a chroma watercolor or something or other pencil. It's like an oil-based pencil. So I have this from my art kit from a long time ago, but this, I used this last year in popsicle sticks, and it lasted a while, but then eventually it ended up wearing off. So I've written pawpaw on this one with this pencil. So we'll see how that lasts, if that lasts better on this versus popsicle stick. Plus the popsicle stick is pretty short and pretty skinny, and this is much easier to see. And then this one I've written on with a Sharpie. My Sharpie is drying out. I gotta go buy a new Sharpie, but this is gonna be strawberry spinach. So that does it for this episode. I should note too, these are really easy to cut with some scissors. So I've just put a couple of those 2 that I wrote on in a bucket of water, and I'm gonna see how they hold up after like a week or so. And then yeah, after, I'll periodically update you on how this works throughout my gardening season. But apparently this works really well, so we'll find out. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Why don't you check out another video, subscribe to the channel. Until the next one, have a good one.